Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to talk about straight keys 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Sereth. So what this tweet does, it takes control over your control center. You can now change the color of the modules to a custom image with ease. It's no more clunky, outdated tweets that never do as what they aim to. With Sereth, Surface Sereth Beth, you can add images to your control center. The next tweet is called Jailbreak apps, Jailbreak YouTube, VLC, and Plex Player. So it hints to the grabber that is often displaying games and various apps with player. Next is called STR Revived. It's an aesthetic look to your loved connectivity toggles. Next is called Reach Spring. Trigger Reach Spring like God invoking the reachability gesture. Next tweet is called Animate My Screen Pro. So you're tired of always seeing the same animations when you lock your screen. This tweak is for you then. So more than 15 magnificent animation, adjust the speed to your liking, random animations for more surprise. Next tweet is called Jailbreak. It's Spotify inspired lock screen player. Next tweet is called Roadrunner. It doesn't come up for me. Roadrunner keeps apps alive through Respring. Next tweet is called Animate My Badges Pro. And are you tired of wanting to take control of your badges? Then this tweet's for you. More than 8 advanced initiative animations spice up your bland home screen. So allows you to customize your apps in every aspect, the way you can find tune your settings to your preferences. This is called Daemon Disabler. Disable or enable launch daemons on the fly from the settings app. This tweet is called TW3 Ha. Tool to hack some programs, games, and remove ads and changes with Spring. Supports iOS 9 to 13. This is called eSIM Plus. So basically it allows you to change between your SIMs, so you can actually text people, call people, and choose a SIM you want to use every time you text or call someone. This is called Live Mushisha Forever. It's advanced audio visualizer library for Mushisha Forever. This is called Lose It Pro. No clue who is calling you. Don't know who you missed or who they are. This is for you, so it's the best all-in-one caller identification solution for your iDevice. Next is called Apaze 2. Customize up to 30 settings for each app. A clean and friendly UI, easy accessible right from the 3D touch menu. Next is called BH Twitter. So download videos even if account private. Enable voice tweet and voice message in DM. Hide promoted tweet from the timeline. Confirm alert when hit the tweet button. Confirm alert when hit the like button. So it's for Twitter. This is called Wi-Fi passwords, and just basically tells you your Wi-Fi passwords. It does work on iOS 10, 11, 12, and 13. I believe it works on iOS 14 as well, but I have not yet tested on iOS 14. We actually can, let's see if it has iOS 14 here. Nah, it does not. So we don't know. I believe it does with iOS 14, but I can't say that positively because I have not tested out on iOS 14. So all it does is basically tell you the password for your Wi-Fi. So obviously you have to connect to it first and put the password in, and then it will save that password for you. So it's a feature that Apple really should have implemented in iOS devices and iPhones, but they have not for some reason. So this tweak makes it a lot easier, knowing the password. So your Wi-Fi password. Next is called Force in Picture. It's basically enables picture-in-picture mode on unsupported devices. Next is called iSponsor Block, and automatically skip annoying sponsorships in the YouTube videos. Next is called Milky Way 3, most advanced tweak for multitasking. This is called Checkra1n. It's basically allows you to have multiple containers per application. So in other words, you guys can have multiple accounts, for your apps. So pretty cool. It makes it a lot easier. So let's say you want to play an app or game, then you can actually obviously easily start over. So if you want to start with a new account or switch between like different accounts, you can. So. And the last tweet is called Checkra1n Lite. It's Checkra1n, just a light version, so you only have one application per time with this tweak. So if you want to actually buy and get unlimited apps at one time, then you have to buy it. Checkra1n, I think it's only like $2 or $3. But this is the light version, so you can test it out for free before you want to, if you want to buy it or not. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. I will catch you guys. And the last tweak is called Lottie Lock Screen. So new Lotties, better battery life, added airplane mode, orientation lock, and location icons, and more. So animations on your lock screen. So, yeah guys, I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.